All right, we have to find the measure of each one of our labeled angles. So let's start with angle A. Now we should see that angle A and this 41-degree angle form a right angle. Therefore, they are complementary angles, meaning they have a sum of 90 degrees. Now we can see that this angle here, because of the symbol, is 90 degrees. So this angle and these two angles over here altogether have a sum of 180 degrees because they form a straight line or a straight angle. So to find angle A, all we have to do is subtract 41 from 90 degrees, and that would give us 49 degrees. All right, now we should notice that we have a right angle right here. So we have a right triangle. So this angle is 90 degrees, meaning that this angle, angle B, is also 90 degrees because these two angles together form a straight angle. Therefore, they are supplementary angles. Now, to find angle D, we should understand that the three interior angles of any triangle have a sum of 180 degrees. So far, we have a total of 139 degrees because if you add 49 and 90, that is a total of 139. So if we take 180 degrees and subtract 139 from that, that would leave us with 41 degrees, which is the measure of angle D. Now, we should also notice that we have intersecting lines right here. And when you have a pair of intersecting lines, the angles on opposite sides are called vertical angles, and they are equal in angle measure. So if angle D is 41 degrees, angle E is also 41 degrees. Also notice that we have a straight angle right here. So these two angles right next to each other are supplementary angles. 139 degrees and 41 degrees would be 180 degrees, and that is one way that you can check your answer. And we also have another pair of vertical angles, angle C, in this 139-degree angle. And remember, vertical angles are congruent to each other. Therefore, angle C is also 139 degrees. And there you have it. We have determined the measure of each one of our labeled angles shown in the diagram.